Welcome to Amethyst. I know I keep saying I have so many favorite colors, and I do. I like color, but one of my favorite colors in the world is really the purple values or the violets. And this amethyst tree and amethyst collection has all the different shades of purples, some dark purples, as you can see in some of the deep eggplant ribbon here. The ornaments glisten with lavender, there's heather in there, there's the color of iris, there's wisteria. All of these wonderful purple shades all come together and come alive. But what makes it really, really special for this season is what we put it with. We've paired it up with silvers and pewters and zinc just to bring that holiday sparkle, that splash of silver just coming through. It's a great combination, and it's beautiful with a lot of the metal pieces too. I keep talking about these silver colors in here, the pewter, the zinc, and all of the metal pieces. And we introduced some of these new sleighs with the deers a few years ago, and they were so popular. We came out with this new version, and I love how the base is a little wavy down there. It creates a little fun and interest on the base of this container. Few little ornaments in there, and you got a great centerpiece. And above the centerpiece, we're featuring our new trees. We have these trees in other colors, and we introduced them a couple years ago, but this color now in the darker silver value, or this pewter, is the perfect complement in amethyst. What's Christmas without a tree? And Amethyst has trees that are just incredible. We have a beautiful rhinestone or jewel tree over on the far end, or maybe you like more of a metal look, and these resin trees have that tarnished metal appeal to it. Or maybe some glass that has a little bit of that amethyst color in there to a sort of a raspberry pink shade. A little bit of frosting on there on the edges with the glitter. Or maybe you're a traditionalist and you like the bottle brush look. Whatever tree you want, Amethyst has it. Amethyst, it's all about an untraditional Christmas, but with traditional items.